Surprising places sugar hides. The hidden sugar in our diet is hard to find. You'll be amazed at the things that have added and often unnecessary sugar inside. Breakfast cereal. Most of you could have guessed this one, but we're not talking about the sugar in sugary cereal. We're talking about hidden sugar in so-called healthy cereals. Some healthy cereals have more than 23 grams of sugar per serving. Asian food. Most restaurant-made or packaged Asian food has an enormous amount of sugar in it. Even sushi. The way you make sushi rice includes adding sugar to it. You can make your own Asian food to ensure that the sugar level is not too high. Canned and packaged soups and sauces. Thankfully, all you have to do is check the labels. Some yogurt has more than 15 grams of sugar. Even spaghetti sauce and gravy can have more sugar than a soda pop. If you want to be sure to eat less sugar, read labels and find no sugar options or make your own. Frozen yogurt. Just because the word yogurt is in it doesn't mean it's healthy. It's just as sugary as regular ice cream. It's a dessert. Treat it as if it's a dessert. Don't use it for a meal, and don't believe you're eating healthier. If you prefer real ice cream for a snack, you are now free to eat it instead, as one is not better than the other when it comes to sugar. Smoothies. They're all the rage and there are many smoothie shops out there banking on it. But most smoothie shops use fruit with added sugar, which removes any benefits you would have from drinking a smoothie at all. If you make your own, watch it when recipes ask for dried fruit too. Using whole, fresh fruit is much better. Bread. While there is some bread that is good for you, most bread is made with highly refined flour and sugar. Both of these affect blood sugar. Even wheat bread may be high in sugar, so you need to read the labels. Bread that is usually low in sugar is rye or spelt. Plus, you can make your own to avoid additives and sugar that can harm your health. Condiments. You know we all like to dip everything. But, if you dip your fresh apples or celery into the wrong thing, you may be making matters worse. Instead, make your own condiments or read the labels. Today there are many low-sugar varieties of condiments, including low-sugar ketchup. Canned beans. Check the labels on canned beans, especially ones with any type of sauce on them like chili beans or baked beans. These are usually so high in sugar that if you compared it to a cake you wouldn't know which was which just by the amount of sugar. Muffins. You probably already realize that some muffins are high in sugar, but even the ones that sound healthy are just cakes in muffin form with a healthy flour or healthy name added. They are all high in sugar. There are some recipes for low sugar muffins, though. Just search the net and you're sure to find them. You don't have to do without. Yogurt. Just like frozen yogurt is high in sugar, so is most sweetened yogurt, including low-fat yogurt. The best way to combat this problem is to make your own yogurt or eat yogurt as a dessert. You can also buy plain yogurt and add your own fruit and stevia to create a low-sugar snack that is healthy due to the probiotics in yogurt. The lesson is that anything pre-made and packaged is in danger of having too much sugar. It's best to read the labels and judge for yourself. Keep in mind that the average adult should not consume more than 90 grams, or 5% of their total calories, in added sugar daily. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.